By the end of this video, you will be able to 10x your productivity, boost your online presence by creating your own AI content machine. But what is an AI content machine? Well, it's an AI automation that we are going to create today in N8N. Hi, I am Giriaki from N8N, an AI automation agency where we build AI automations in Make.com and N8N, as well as build from scratch data management systems. So without further ado, let's dive in. So here we are in the interface of N8N, where we have built this massive AI automation. So every automation starts with a trigger. Our trigger for the purpose of this video is the on-form submission, which means that we are going to input the keywords that we want to research the content, like this. For example, let's do best niches for marketing agencies, and of course import the email in which we are going to receive all the notifications. So I'm gonna put the general email of our agency. So that's it. We have the trigger. Then we have the find outlines. We have the find outlets node, where it researches the content and give us the output of what we are looking for. Next, it's the find citations. That means that it's looking for references and resources online in order to filter out all this content. Next, we have the extract and format outlines. So we are writing here the prompt. To see fully this prompt, we can drag and drop it just like this. Then we have the prompt here where we say ChatGPT to categorize and format the output. Then next we have the generate better outlet node, where we tell ChatGPT to refine even further the output. Here's the prompt. You're a helpful, intelligent writing assistant, and your task is to generate a high-quality, comprehensive outline for an article on a given topic. And it goes on and on. Now, we have the separate into sections. Since our output is gonna be a whole massive data that it's not categorized at all, we have the separate into sections that separates each content separately. Next, we have the speed out. Since we are getting a massive output full of data, this speed out node basically separates all the output into sections so we can have a clear, readable output to work with. Next, we have ChatGPT, again, the 4.5 preview. The right section generates high quality content. So from the content that we have already, ChatGPT refines it even further by creating more quality output, as well as dismissing what's unnecessary. Next, we have the limit, which prevents overflowing unnecessary information. Then the edit films, it's for further and refined enhancements. Finally, we have the aggregate that takes all the sections, all the outputs, and makes it into one output. For example, as you can see here, we have 9 different sections full of data and output. What aggregate does, it takes all these sections and make it into a unified one section. Finally, we have the draft article, where it prepares the draft of our output. And next we have Markdown. Here's where the magic is. Since all the data that we have generated so far is in JSON, Markdown transforms them into HTML. This is the only way to have a readable output and be able to work with it. And lastly, we have the Google Drive. So all the work that we have done into this automation, it's gonna be sent into Google Drive. So finally, we're going to receive a document into our Google Drive with all the result and outputs. As you can see here is the input, and now as soon as we run the automation, we will also have the output here. So let's run it. That's it. Our automation is ready. Let's see what the result looks like. Let's go to Google Drive. Here it is. That's it. That's our result. Best niches for marketing agencies, comprehensive guide to profitable specializations. And just like this, with a click, we have received this article full of helpful information. That's it. If you enjoyed this automation and looking to find out more about how AI can help you with AI automations, data management systems like project management, CRM, automated workflows, you can visit our accounts in Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn in the descriptions below, as well as don't forget to like and follow AI in YouTube.